Hi everyone, how are you, dear student and viewers, listeners? I hope you all are fine in this today, in this evening. So let's start our revision, chapter 1 and chapter 2. First, we will discuss. First, we will do the revision chapter 1, then we will go for do the revision chapter 2 in the next video. So in this live session we will discuss and we will do the revise chapter 1, which is measurement. Topic, the chapter title is measurement. So what is measurement? So measurement is a comparison of any physical quantities with its standard unit, that is known as a measurement. And here also written, physical quantities are the quantity in the term of which the law of physics may be expressed and which we can quantitatively measure, that is known as a measurement. Now here first topic will discuss measurement of area. Measurement of area. So how we can do the measurement of area? By using the formula, and we are able to measure the surface area, yes or not? So by physical quantity, through the physical quantities and standard units, we are able to measure the area. You have already discussed, already we have learned in the class 6, yes or not? So and already I taught you. So now this is a revision period. So here it is already written, you have already discussed the concept of area as well as the measurement of area of regular shape in class 6. You would recollect that each object occupied a defined surface which depend on the size of the object. The amount of surface occupied by an object or a plane figure is called surface area. So how we can measure the area? What is the measurement of area? So for doing the measurement of area, we must have to know about the area. What is area? So whatever the amount occupied by an object, that is known as the area, that is known as a surface. Suppose a pen kept on the table, so the pen has occupied some space, and that space is known as a area of the pen. But where it is kept on the table, so that we call surface area, yes or not? Because the pen kept over the table, so the pen is occupying area on the surface of table, on the surface of table. So what are the SI unit of area? Is meter per second square or centimeter square, we can write. Multiple and sub multiple of area. Next point, next topic we have with now next page, next topic which we have multiple and sub multiple of area, yes or not? Multiple and sub multiple of area. So we know that 1 hectare equal to how many? We know that the 1 hectare equal to how many meter square? So we must have to do the multiple 2 times 100 meter into 100 meter. Then we will get 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square. We will get 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square. Yes or not? Now here next point, next square kilometer. A square kilometer means 1 square kilometer equal to 100 hectare. 100 hectare. So 100 into hectare, 1 hectare equal to how many kilometer, how many meter square? So we know that 10,000 meter square. So we will do the multiplication, 100 into 10,000 meter square, then we will get the 1 meter square equal to 1 kilometer square equal to how many meter square, or simply we can do the multiplication 2 times of kilometer. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 kilometers. So we will do the multiplication 2 times of the 1000 meter into 1000 meter, then we will get the 1 kilometer square equal to 1 kilometer square equal to, we will get the 100 1000 1100 meter square. Now next one, 1 square centimeter. 1 square centimeter equal to, what we can write, 1 centimeter square equal to, we can write 1 upon 10,000 meter square. 1 centimeter square equal to how many meter square? So we will write 0.001 meter square. Why? Because here the centimeter square 2, so we will write 2 times centimeter square. So we know that 1 meter equal to 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So we will do the division 1 upon 100 centimeter, and we will do the multiplication 1 upon 100 centimeter into 1 upon 100 centimeter. Then we will get 1 upon 10,000 meter square, and if we will do the division, this 10,000 meter square from 1 to 1, then we will get 0.001 meter square. Yes or not? Next one is the area of regular shapes. Area of regular shapes. So how we will find the area of regular shape? By using the formula. Yes or not? Suppose here in the figure is showing a rectangle, triangle, as well as the square, circle. So how we are able to find the area of this kind of regular shapes? So for finding the area of regular shape, we have an exact formula. We have an actual formula which we will apply, and we will put the value in the formula. Then we will get the product. We will get the result. Yes or not? We will find the area. What are the area in the for the square for the square field area, and for the rectangular field, for the circular field. Yes or not? For the triangular field, we can apply the formula, we can use the formula, and we are able to find the answer of answer of the areas. Now here, for area of a rectangle, formula is A equal to L into breadth. L into width. So here we will suppose this is a field, and this field is the length is given 30 centimeter, and width is given 20 centimeters. So how we will find the area? We will just do the multiplication, L into B, then we will get the area of this, area of rectangle. Yes or not? Now area of a square, what is the formula of area of a square? A equal to side into side, side into side, because in the square every side are equals. Yes or not? Each sides are equal to each other. That's why square of area we are using the A, capital letter A, to denote the square of area, and for finding the area we are writing A into A, so it becomes A square. So what is next? Next is a circle. So finding the circle, area of circle, we are using A equal to pi r square. We are using A equal to pi r square. Yes or not? Now next one, in that third one, next area of triangle. Area of triangle formula is half into BH. B is nothing but it is a width, and H is the here height of the triangle, height of the triangle. So when we will do the multiplication with half into b into h, then we are able to find the accurate area of the triangle. Yes or not? So these are the formula which we can use, and we will able to find the surface area. We are able to find the area of the given set. Now next topic which we have, estimated of a area irregular, estimated of area irregular shape using a graph. Now, so in the activity 1, it is written to find the area of an irregular shape using a square centimeter region. Suppose we want to find a stone piece surface area, and we know that the stone piece surface area is not a regular shape, it is in a irregular shape. So for that a stone piece surface area, to finding the stone piece surface area, we must have to take the help of graph. Through the graph, with the help of graph, we are able to find the irregular surface area. Irregular surface area. Yes or not? I hope you are getting, you are understanding. Yes or not? Next topic which we have, measurement of volume. Measurement of volume. Measurement of volume. Every object occupied a space. The space occupied by an object is called its volume. So measurement of volume means whatever the space occupied by the object, that is known as a volume. Now SI unit of volume is a meter cube, or cubic meter we are writing, or cubic centimeter we are writing. Some multiple of unit of volume is, what is the cubic meter, cubic centimeter. Now next one, next phase. Now we are going to discuss the next phase. In the next phase, so here in the next phase we are going to discuss and learn about the sum multiple of unit of volume. So 1 cubic meter equal to how many centimeter cube? So for that we have to do the multiplication 3 times meter. Then we will get the 1 cubic meter equal to how many? So for that we have to do the multiplication. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Yes or not? So 3 times meter means we have to do the 3 times multiplication, 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Then we will get 10 lakh centimeter cube. We will get 10 lakh centimeter cube. Yes or not? Now this phase. Next one, in that the cubic millimeter equal to 1 cubic millimeter equal to, we must have to write 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter equal to how many millimeter cube? To finding the 1 centimeter cube equal to how many millimeter cube? So we must have to do the multiplication 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter 3 times. So we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10. 1 centimeter equal to how many mm? 10 mm. Yes or not? So 10 mm into 10 mm into 10 mm, 3 times we will do the multiplication. Then 1 centimeter cube equal to, we will get 1000 millimeter cube. Yes or not? So this is the some multiple unit for the volume. Now capacity and its unit. Capacity and its unit. The volume of liquid like milk. Volume of liquid like milk. Volume of liquid like milk. So the volume of liquid like milk, oil, petrol, etc. are measured in a liter as well as a milliliter. The inner volume of container which hold a liquid is known as its capacity, and capacity is the space inside the container. So whatever the liquid substance we are storing inside the container, so whatever the space occupied by that liquid, that is known as a capacity. Capacity is the space inside a container. So how much container have a capacity to store the liquid substance, liquid item? So we are measuring the liquid into milliliter or liter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 centiliter equal to 1 upon 100 liter. 1 upon 100 liter. So the how many liter? 1 centiliter equal to 0.01 liter. 1 milliliter equal to how many liter? So 0.001 liter. Now 1 kiloliter equal to how many liter? 1000 liter. Yes or not? So these things we have to. So what is the SI unit of a liquid, which like suppose we want to measure the oil? So what is the SI unit? Liter. Yes or not? These things we have to remember. Now volume of a regular solid. So these all are the 3D diagram, and we must have to, how we will find the volume of the regular solid. We will able to find the volume of a regular solid by using the accurate formula. For the finding the regular solid volume, we have a formula. Yes or not? Now here in this figure we can see first figure, volume of cube. So first is a cube, second is a cuboid. What is second? Cuboid. And third is a volume of cylinder, and fourth is a spheres. So for finding the volume of a cube, which formula we are using? We are using V equal to AQ. What we are using? V equal to AQ. For finding the volume of cuboid, what we are using? We are using formula L into B into H. For finding the volume of cylinder, we are using the formula pi r square h. But why h here we are using? For the height we are using the h here. Yes or not? Now in the volume of cuboid, what is B equal to L into B into H? So L stands for the length, where B stands for the width, and S stands for the height of the cuboid. Yes or not? Here in the volume of cube is each and every sides are equal. That's why V equal to, we are doing the multiplication side into side 3 times. So it will becomes a cube, and the volume of cube is SI unit is a meter cube. Yes or not? Volume of cube SI unit is a meter cube. Volume of a cuboid SI unit is a what? Also it is a meter cube. Yes or not? So now volume of cylinder formula V equal to 2 pi V equal to pi r square into h. Now where r is a radius and h is a height for the cylinder. Now next one here, the next one, volume of a sphere. So finding the volume of a sphere, we are using the formula V equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi r cube, where r is a radius and pi value we are considering as a 22 upon 7. 22 upon 7. Now next one, the next page. The next page which we have. So here the first example is given. The first example in this given, each side of aluminum cube is 4 centimeter. Yes or not? And find the volume as well as the surface area. So in the given data, what is given? So given aluminum cube side is given A equal to 4 centimeter. A equal to 4 centimeter. Volume of aluminum cube we have to find. Yes or not? So volume of aluminum cube. So we know that cube have all sides are equal. Yes or not? So we will do the cube of A. So A becomes A cube. So we will do the multiplication 4 into 4 into 4. Yes or not? So it will becomes how much it will come? It will come 64 centimeter cube. 64 centimeter cube. Yes or not? If you want to, and the volume, this cube have how many faces? 6 faces are. Yes or not? So that's why we will do the again area. If you will find the area, if you want to find the area of the cube, then what we have to do? A equal to 6 into A cube. A square. Then we are able to find we will get the area of the cube. Yes or not? Surface area of the cube, because cube have a 6 faces. Now next example is given. A tank of length is 32 meter and width is 20 meter. Is filled with the water. Then the depth of water in the tank is 2.4 meter. Calculate the volume of water contained in the tank. So here given data, what is given? Given length is given 32 meter and width is given 20 meter. Width is given 20 meter and depth is given. Depth means we will consider height. So h is given 2.4. Why we are considering h is a height? Because here it is written container. So container have a height. Yes or not? So we will consider this depth, we will consider as a height. Now, so which formula we will use to finding the, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the volume of water contained in the tank. How much water are stored in the tank? We have to find that one. So for finding the volume of water tank, we will use the formula V equal to L into B into H. L into B into H. So here the answer is, what is the answer will come? 1536 meter cube. Now next one, vessels used to measure the volume capacity, measuring cylinder and measuring beakers. Some commonly used vessels for measuring volume capacity are shown in the figure. So these all are the vessels which we are using to measure the volume as well as the capacity. Yes or not? Volume as well as the capacity. Vessels A is used to, then here E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vessels are here. In the figure 1.35 vessels are given. So first A vessels is measure gradually cylinder, measuring graduated cylinder. It is used in a laboratory to measure the volume of a liquid and measure the and irregular solid of a small size. Why we are using graduate cylinder or measuring cylinder? Where we are using this measuring cylinder in laboratory to find the volume of any liquids, of a given liquids, as well as we are able to find the irregular solid of a small size. Suppose we have a small stone piece, then we, the help of thread, we will tie that a small piece and we will immerse in it and for initial level of water we will write, and then finally volume of water we will write, then we will do the minus final to initial, then we will get the volume of the object. Yes or not? Now next one here, the next one is given, vessels B is a measuring can. This is a measuring can. Yes or not? You have seen in your village, in your areas, when you are going to take the corrosion oil or on the petrol pumps, if you will take a bottle and if you will ask to them on the petrol pump, I need petrol, so they will give through these vessels only. Yes or not? In your water, in your bottles. Yes or not? Suppose you want to take the corrosion, you want to take the oil. If you went to the mustard machines, so in their mills, in there they were using, or they used to give the they used to take this vessel and keep the oils inside the vessel, and they measure the liquids, and then they will pour that liquids into your container. Yes or not? So this is the measuring cylinder for the measuring can, and used to measure the volume of kerosene, lubricant oil or mustard oil. Yes or not? Now next one, vessels C and D measuring vehicles. Vessels C and D is known as a measuring vehicles and are commonly used to measure the volume of milk and edible oils. So we are using these two vessels to measure the milk and also edible oils like mustard and that coconut and refined oils. So we are using these two vessels to measure it. Now next, the last E vessels. Vessels E is a graduate cylinder and is generally used to pharmacists to measure the volume of a liquid in medicine. So the vessels E we are using to measure the where we are using the inside the medicines to measure the volume of any liquid medicines. Yes or not? So vessels B, C, D can measure only fixed volume which is marked on them. So already the mark on them present. Yes or not? The scale is present. Vessels A and vessels E and vessels D also. Now next topic which we have, measuring the volume of liquid using a graduate cylinder and graduate beakers. Now next page, turn the page. So activity is given. Now here activity is given, activity 2 and 3. Second and third activity is given to measure the volume of a liquid by using a measuring cylinder. By using a measuring cylinder or graduate cylinder. So while we are using a measuring cylinder, we must have to focus. We must have to keep our eyes level onto the level of the liquid, not the inclined. We must have to keep as a parallel to the level of the liquid which is kept inside the measuring cylinder. Third activity is the measure the volume of a liquid by using a graduate beakers. So we are going to discuss So these all are the activity. Now next topic which we have, we are going to discuss the next topic, density. Next topic which we are going to discuss here, the density. Next topic which we have, density. What is density? The mass of an object content per unit volume is known as a density. We know that every object have a mass, yes or not? This concept we are knowing. Every object have a mass and they are occupying some space, yes or not? So that is known as the matter, yes or not? But now here we are going to discuss the next topic which we have, density. So what is density? The mass of an object contained per unit volume is known as a density. What is the formula of density? Density equal to mass upon volume. We are denoting density with capital letter D and we are denoting mass with capital letter M and we are representing volume with capital letter V. Now, so our activity is given here to show the equal volume of two different liquids have a different mass or not. So one liquid have one pan of the beam balance is kept water, another pan of the another pan is a corrosion with the corrosion kept in the glass, yes or not? So now you can see the beam balance is not balanced. So water have more mass as compared to the corrosion. Now next one. So in the density we are going to discuss about the SI unit of density. So SI unit of density is, we are measuring the mass in kg. We know that the mass SI unit is a kg and we know that the SI unit of volume is a meter cube. We are measuring the volume in meter cube. So the SI unit of density is a kilogram per meter cube. Kilogram per meter cube. So where one density equal to 1 gram per centimeter cube equal to how many kilogram per centimeter cube? So 1 gram per centimeter cube equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Now next. Next page. So in the next page, the activity is given. Activity number 8. How we can able to measure the density of irregular solid having heavier than the water of insoluble in it. So in the activities is given through the activity. Now first measuring cylinder, this is the first measuring cylinder and this is the second measuring cylinder. So in first measuring cylinder we have to see the level first. So this is a volume 1 and when we are inserting, when we are pouring the irregular shape of the stone piece with the help of thread. Then when we are immersing inside the measuring cylinder, then we have to see here in the diagram the water level has increased, yes or not? Initial water level is 50, it means the initial volume of water is 50 ml, but when we have immersed the solid, it means the stone piece with the help of thread inside the measuring cylinder, then the water level suddenly increase, gradually increase, then the volume, this level we will consider V2 volume 2. So this is the final volume. So here final volume is 70. So finding the total volume, finding the V, we must have to do the subtraction from final volume to initial volume. So what is the initial volume here? Initial volume is 15 and final volume is 70. So 17 minus 50 we will do, then we will get the V. So finding the density, what we are, which formula we are using? We are using mass upon volume. So mass, what is given mass here? So we will write the mass over there, whatever the mass is given of the substance we will write, and whatever the volume we will got we will write down, and we will do the calculation, then we will get the density of the irregular solid shape, yes or not? So these all are the activity you have to read, yes or not? Now here we have to find the V3 minus V2. V3 minus V2, we have to find the V from V3 minus V2. Now same activity, the previous activity it is activity number 8, but this is the activity is 9, and if you see the activity number 8, in the activity number 8 is the initial volume is 50 and final volume is 17. So here V2 consider as a 17 and V3 is considered as a 18. Why? Because the another object is immersed inside the measuring cylinder. So this is a cork, this object name is a cork. So when we are immersing with the help of thread, a stone, and as well as the cork inside the measuring cylinder, then again the water level increase, and that is the final volume. So V3, so finding the total volume, so we have to do the minus V3 minus V2, and whatever the mass is present given to the substance, then we have to divide with the volume, then we will get the density of the irregular shape, solid shape. Now so now in the next page, what is given, the all derivation is given, numerical problem is given in the page number 21. In the page number 21, what is given? Numerical problem is given, yes or not? From 9 example number 9 to example number 12 is given, yes or not? Now here we can see the 12 number. We are going to discuss the 12 number here. 12 number example. A measuring cylinder contains water up to 54 ml. Up to 54 ml. When a glass stopper is immersed into it, the water level rises to 76 ml. When a small piece of cork of a mass 3 gram is tied to the glass stopper and the combination is immersed into water taken in a measuring cylinder, the water level raised further to 91 ml. Calculate the volume of the glass stopper as well as that of the cork piece. Also find the density of cork piece in SI unit. So here the given data, V1 is how much is given? V1 is volume first is given 54 ml and V2 is given 76 ml. So and V3 is given 91 ml. V3 is given 91 ml. And cork of mass of cork is given 3 gram. Mass of cork is given 3 gram. So first we will do the, for first we will find the V2 minus V1, then we will do the subtraction 76 minus 54 ml, then we will get the 22 ml, and we know that 1 ml equal to 1 centimeter, yes or not, 1 centimeter cube. So 22 ml equal to how many cube? So 22 centimeter cube, yes or not. Now next, so next we have to do the minus V3 minus V2. So V3 we have 91 minus 76 ml. So we will get the 15 ml, and 15 ml we will convert into the centimeter cube. Then how much centimeter we will get? We will get the 15 centimeter cube we will get, yes or not. Now next in that we are going to discuss next in that. So what is, so finding the density of the cork is what we'll do. For finding the density of cork, what we will do? We will divide mass upon volume. So mass of cork is given how much? 3 gram, and volume we got 3 centimeter cube, yes or 15 centimeter cube. So we have to divide 3 upon 15. So we will get the 5 gram centimeter 0.2 gram centimeter cube we will get. Now next one. So next topic which we have, the speed. An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position from time to time, that is known as a speed. So what is the motion? When an object changing their own position with respect to time, with respect to surroundings, that is known as the motion, yes or not. What is motion? So when an object or body changing their position with respect to time or with respect to their surroundings, that is known as a motion. Now so here the speed, what is the speed? So when an object said to be in a motion, and if it is changing their position time to time, that is known as a speed. Speed definition is speed of an object or a person defined as the distance covered by a unit time, by a object per unit time is known as a speed. So speed formula is the distance covered by total time taken. So here we are representing speed with the small letter V, and we are representing distance small letter S, and time we are representing with the small letter T. We are denoting time a small letter T, we are denoting speed a small letter V, we are denoting distance a small letter S. Now next, so in this next we are going to discuss about the SI unit. SI unit of speed. So SI unit of speed is what? We know that we are measuring the distance in meter, yes or not, and we are measuring the time in second. So the speed SI unit is a meter per second. The speed SI unit is a meter per second. But if you see your car, your motorcycle, your scooties, auto, e-rickshaw, wherever every vehicles, if you see, then there is a odometer. On the odometer, what is present? Kilometer per hour, yes or not. So odometer is taking the reading of a vehicle, giving a reading of a vehicle in kilometer per hour. So the SI unit of speed is a meter per second, kilometer per hour, as well as the centimeter per second. Now next one. So activity is given here, examples are given here. So first 14 example we can see. Samita rides her bicycle and covers a distance of 3 km in 10 minutes. calculate her speed in kilometer per hour. Here it is asking in per hour, so we have to convert. Suppose it is given in minute, then that minute we have to convert in hour. Suppose it is asking in meter per second, and time is given in hours, so we have to convert that time in second. Yes or not? Now here it is asking in the calculate the speed in the kilometer per hour. So distance how much is given? 3 kilometer, and time is given 10 minutes. So minute we have to convert into hours. So we will do the division. We will do the division 10 upon 60. Yes or not? So then what we will get? We will get the 1 upon 6. So 6 we will do the division. 6 divided by 1. So 1 is lesser than 6. So we will put the decimal. Decimal will give 0. Then 1 becomes 10. So 6 1s are 6 we will write. Then 4 remains we have. Then that decimal gives 0. So 0.1. Yes or not? 0.1 we will get here. 0.1 and 4. So 0 will become. So how many times we will count the 6 table? 6 is 36. So 0.16 hour we will get. Yes or not? 0.16 hour we will get. Now we will divide with the 3 kilometer upon. We will put the value of distance as well as the time in the formula, speed formula. V equal to S upon T. So S equal to 3 kilometer is given. T equal to 0.16 is given, or you can write 1 upon 6. And if you do the calculation, then you will get the 18 kilometer per hour. Yes or not? So this is the example related to the speed. Now last example we are going to see here, we are going to discuss here. Last example, question number 17. In the question number 17, an e-rickshaw is running at a speed of 2.0 meter per second. 2.0 meter per second. How much time will it take to cover a distance of 8.2 kilometer? So here what is given, data is given in this question. So in this question the speed is given. Speed how much is given? Speed 2 meter per second is given, and distance how much is given? 8.2 kilometer. So here what we will do, we have to find the speed. We have to find the speed of e-rickshaw. Speed of e-rickshaw. Yes or not? How much time will be take to cover? Sorry, we have to find the time, not a speed. Speed is already given. We have to find the time. So V equal to S upon T. We know that formula. So finding the T equal to, you will write S upon V. So yes, how much we have? Yes, we have a kilometer. So we have to convert this kilometer into meter. Then we will do the multiplication. 8.2 into 1000, then it will becomes 8200 meter. So now we have to put the 8200 meter on the place of S, and V place we have to keep 2 meters. So it will becomes how much? 410 second, and if we will convert this 410 second into minute second, then it will become 6 minute 50 second. So I hope you have understand this all topics which I taught in this revision session. So please keep watching, keep learning, keep subscribing, and please try to make the all questions which are given in the exercise, which are given in the examples. You have to solve it one by one, and see the numerical problem which is given in the exercise. Suppose question number first. What is the question number first? Here it is given. Question number first, if you see here, Numerical problem. Question number first is given here. Find the area of a circle of radius 7 centimeter. So radius of circle is given. How much? 7 centimeter. So which formula will you use to find the area of circle? So pi r square. Yes or not? So pi value is by 22 upon 7. We will write into 7 into 7. So 7 get cancelled to each other. Then 7 into 22 we have. Then if you will do the multiplication 22 into 7, then you will get 154 centimeter square. Yes or not? So this is the area of the circle. Area of the circle. Yes or not? So you have to do the practice, do the revision. This is the revision session. I taught you each and every topics in the revision session. I have covered all the topics. So please do revision, prepare well. Thank you to joining me.